Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Pragya. So today is a part 2 of the chapter number 1 growing plants. And in part 2 I'm going to teach you how to grow plants from artificial method and how to grow plants from leaves, spores, roots and stem. It is going to be interesting. So one thing, I'm creating this video for those who can't take private tuition or can't understand any chapter. If you can't understand any chapter, please tell me the chapter name and chapter number. I'll surely help you. And before starting my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of all my new videos. And please like, share and comment. Let's get started. Part 2 of the growing plants. So the topics in the part 2 are how to grow plants in the artificial method and how to grow plants from leaves, spores and stems and roots. It is going to be interesting and you might like it. Growing plants. So it is growing plants. Our learning checklist is new plants from seed, roots, stems, leaves and spores, an artificial method. So last class I teach you the structure of the seed and most of them has not understand it, and I've already tell I'll surely help you. So some of them has tell that I don't understand what is a seed coat and hilum. So I have come with a photo of a seed coat and hilum. So first I show you hilum. You see this black part this is called a hilum. So hilum absorbs the water and surely the baby plant needs water. Through hilum the baby plant gets water. I think you understand a hilum. If you don't understand a hilum, so please let me know it again. So this red part you have see is called a seed coat, or you can tell testa. This is a very important part as it protects the seed and the baby plant inside it. Means without it the seed will break and the baby plant will not emerge and it will surely die. So without this seed coat and hilum, the baby plant can live. One thing I want to tell you, some important part of the seed are embryo, seed coat and hilum. Embryo makes the food for the baby plant. Surely without food we can't work, and from food we get energy. Like that only the plant also need food for the work or for growing. So they need nutrition. For this the embryo is used. Artificial method of growing plant. One of the easiest method is to grow plant is underground stems. In potato and ginger, we might see a white part of the potato. It is called bud. And for the potato, it is called eyes. You can also tell eyes, but not for the ginger. In potato, it is called eyes. So while cutting this bud and putting in the soil can grow a potato plant. Very easiest method. I repeat it again. To grow a plant, it is the easiest way, that is underground stem. You can take the potato's eye or a bud and put it in the soil and it will grow a potato plant. For ginger, the ginger bud. And from onion, there is another method. You will see a long stem growing at the top edge of the onion. And by cutting that and planting it, that can grow a onion plant. It is the easiest way that you can apply to anywhere, to any plant. For only underground plants only. Remember it. This method can only apply to the underground plant only, and that's why it is named underground stem. Our next easiest method is layering. Layering is same like grafting, but you can't attach to the another plant. It is also same like a stem cutting. You have to cut some part of the creeper and you can plant it in a separate place where it will be again grow by itself. When it grows again, it again forms a layering, and when you cut the layering, you again put it in a separate field, and this was made. Layering is also the easiest method that you can do the any plant. Same. I hope you understand. Our next method is grafting. It is also the easiest method to grow plants. When plant is cut, so the cut portion which is out from the root is called the scion, and the which is attached to the root is called stalk. When it is cut, you can attach to another root also. Like there were two buckets, one was cut and one was attached. The attached plant, I have cut it and I have want to paste the scion to the cut part. So I have pasted it and wrapped a waxed cloth, and it will be also grow, because when it will wrap, it will get nutrition also. So you might ask, what is a grafting? And I'll tell the answer is, grafting is a technique from which the two parts attached into one plant. So this method is called grafting. Hope you understand it. Next method is runner. Runner is also the easiest method that you can it is same like a layering, just you have to cut it and do it in the another, but it becomes one curly hair like, and while layering it forms a creeper, but it is like curly hair. I hope that you understand the 4 methods very easily. If you don't understand, please let me know. So our next easiest method is stem cutting. In here, it is the most easiest you can do to any plant. This is a parent plant. When it grows, we have cut a little part of it and planted in another bucket filled with soil. When we planted it, in a few days it will little bit grow and it becomes the parent plant. From that parent plant also we can cut some part and plant it in another. From this method we can increase the planting without any soil or without any struggle. From this plant we can plant different plants. So, if you don't understand stem cutting, I repeat it again. Part of a plant is cut from the parent plant and it is planted in another bucket. It will grow into a new plant. So, that planting method is called stem cutting. Hope you understand it. I hope that you all understand the chapter very well, and the part 3 is upcoming soon. So I hope that you understand this chapter very well. Part 3 is going to come soon. So this potato, you can say it is underground stem. Next is our stem cutting, grafting, layering and runner. I think that the 5 methods that you have learned are most easiest and you can do whenever you want. So this much for today. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, share and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe it to get all the notification of my new videos. This much for today. Bye bye, and see you in that part 3 with the interesting subject.